coming in, and these are fast-moving developments from the state of poll-bound Bihar, where VIP chief Mukesh Sahani will not contest assembly elections. Sahani has refused to contest the elections. He went to file his brother Santosh Sahani's nomination for the Guru-Boram Assembly constituency. Announced he would not contest the assembly elections this time, but would work hard to form a Grand Alliance government. He said that a Grand Alliance government would be formed in Bihar this time. Regarding seat sharing, he said that all details will be known within a day or two.
कितने सीटों पर समझौता हुई, कैसे समझौता हुई,
सब जानकारी आपको एक दो दिन में पता चल जाएगा।
आप कहीं से चुनाव लड़िएगा कि नहीं?
नहीं, इस बार चुनाव नहीं लड़ना है और हमारा उद्देश्य है कि बिहार में हमारी सरकार बने और 243 सीट पर जाके प्रचार करें और मैक्सिमम सीट कैसे जीता जाए, इसके लिए मेरा संघर्ष रहेगा। इस बार मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ रहा।
मालूम चल रहा है कि आप राज्यसभा में जा रहे हैं।
तो वो ठीक है, वो सरकार बना के यहाँ डिप्टी सीएम बनना है, राज्यसभा नहीं जाना है, यहाँ डिप्टी सीएम बनना है।
Piyush is getting in more details on that story. Piyush, things have been moving fairly quickly, isn't it, as far as Mukesh Sahani is concerned? He was wanting 15 specific seats. The RJD willing to give only 12. He said he wants to be declared as the deputy CM. If at all the Mahagathbandhan were to win, that is something again that the RJD was uncomfortable with. It does look like that he is upset about these things. What else are you picking up? Tell us more.
Well, Sneha, there is no doubt that Mukesh Sahani is upset, and that's why he has now made it very, very clear that he is not going to contest elections. Neither would he want a Rajya Sabha seat. He just wants to become Deputy Chief Minister if Mahagathbandhan forms the government. The tussle between Mukesh Sahani and other allied partners of Mahagathbandhan, including RJD and Congress, is going on for the last many, many days. And today is the last day of nomination. And he was also, supposed to file nomination from Guru-Boram, but now he has declared his brother as the candidate from that particular seat. And he also went accompanied his brother while he had gone there to file his nomination, and there he has now declared that he is not going to contest the elections. He just wants to be declared as the deputy chief minister candidate. At the same time, he is also saying that he would continue a campaign for Mahagathbandhan to ensure that there is a landslide victory of Mahagathbandhan on all 243 seats. So that's a big confirmation, a big statement coming in from Mukesh Sahani, where he has decided not to contest elections. So remember that initially he asked for 60 seats, then he he decreased the demand from 60 to 40, then from 40 to 30, 30 to 15, and still it is not clear on how many seats the candidates of Mukesh Sahani's party will be contesting elections. And the formula of Mahagathbandhan is also not very much clear, on how many seats which political party is going to contest. And remember that this is taking place, Sneha, on the day when nomination has also come to an end for the first phase of elections in the state of Bihar. Now, October 20 is the last day, and before that, they will have to, all parties of Mahagathbandhan will have to come out with a clear figure, with a clear mathematics on how many seats which party is contesting to ensure that there is a candidate of Mahagathbandhan on all 243 constituencies. Sneha.
In those details, as Piyush, at this point in time, Mukesh Sahani was actually well on his way to, in fact, file for the nominations, but has got his brother now to do it, saying that he's going to be working hard for the Mahagathbandhan. He joined in the Mahagathbandhan, but there was back and forth, is what we have seen for days together now. Sahani now has said he's not contesting the elections this time around.